Welcome to this quick briefing on using dataZoa with the EIA. The EIA website has got vast quantities of energy data, and we're going to focus today on crude oil production, imports, and exports. Looking at weekly supply, I have my good friend the dataZoa. Grab this first link, drag it up to my dataZoa account, drop it on the hunting scope. There's my weekly production data. I'm going to scroll down this page and find imports and exports. Crude oil imports, hover on the dot, grab the first link again, drag it up to my dataZoa tab, drop it on the hunting scope. Now I'll define exports. Scroll down the page a bit. Crude oil exports. I hover on the DZ dot, grab this link, drag it up, drop it on the hunting scope. One thing I like to do is combine these three series into one data block. That's easy to do in dataZoa, and I'll show you how to do that. Check, check, check. And then make one data block from any check series. There's my data block. I want to work with this a little bit, so I'm going to drag it over to a fresh tab using this drag handle, drop it on the tab, and there it is. Now the next thing I'd like to do is make a chart of these three series. So I'm going to click on the gear menu and then click on the chart icon. The way dataZoa works is it has a movable divider, so you define the collection of series to be charted above that divider. So in this case, I'll move the divider to the bottom. So we've got three series going into our chart. Click the Make Chart button, and there's my chart. So I can now add this chart to my tab, hitting the Done Add button. Okay, there's my data block and my chart. Now, one of the fun things about data blocks is I can page this back in time to the very beginning of the available data. You see it starts in 1983 for field production. I can bring it forward to the latest data. But the other fun thing I can do is I can actually share this tab with a colleague. So how about I share it? I can do it via SMS or email. I'll try email. My colleague Charlie at dataZoa. So Charlie could open this on his smartphone, save it to the home screen of his phone. He could open it on a tablet, save it to the home screen of his tablet, and be able to call this data up at any moment. This data will update automatically as the EIA posts new values. So it's kind of fun if you think about it. There are other things you can do with dataZoa. You can create your own formulas. We have over 300 mathematical functions in our compute cloud. You can upload your own data and mix it with data you've sourced from outside sources. Lots of things you can do with dataZoa. But this is just a quick briefing on using dataZoa with the EIA. Thank you very much.